Hello, this is Slavko at work, and today we're going to fix gutter problem. You ask, what's common gutter problem? Dripping. Well, why did it drip? Slavko did not fix. I show you now the tools. For this job, you're going to need caulk gun with a good caulk, something to scrape, like a beard scraper works too, knife, and don't forget my favorite, pliers for teeth and other work. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove bad job first. How you remove bad job? Do not be afraid to remove it. See? Bad job come out easy. Bad job cost you lots of money later. Slavko show you good fix. Look at that. Bad caulk job. Cheap caulk. And you say, Slavko, you work so hard. What you do when you need to take break? Well, I tell you now. This is not just for show. This gives you power. This lets you do many things on job. Give you energy drink, and then you stay on roof for 30-40 minutes and you still charge. But don't tell. Okay, best time to do job. You have your drink, you drink. Don't leave on roof. Now, what we did off camera is we take off all the terrible caulk in job. Best job is when you work for yourself and you work like you're working in your own house. So what we do is now we take caulk gun and we put new. First clean up. Good clean up job. They have problem roof little old, but not Slavko's problem. Slavko fix gutter. Okay. You put it. Caulk gun work, you just push straight. And you work slow and steady until the caulk comes out, little by little. Maybe not little by little. Slavko goof. Okay, I smell it. Right. Always bring wire. Trip wire, what kind of wire you have. To make this hole a little bigger. There's garbage. Don't touch. Wear gloves. They tell you that. You want to get the caulk nicely under. And when you do, I show you next how it looks nice. That's it. We finished job.